guys, so let's look at our last and final question of this review. It says, which situation results in a solution of 0? It says, Nicole walked 10 blocks north from her house to a friend's house. After visiting, Nicole walked 10 blocks south back to her house. How far was Nicole from her starting place? Choice B said Sean earned $42 from babysitting last Friday night. On Saturday, Sean earned $42 from babysitting. How much money did Sean earn from babysitting? Choice C, it says the record low temperature in a city is negative 12 degrees. Today, the temperature is 12 degrees. What is the difference between the record low and today's temperature? For choice D, it says a building has 5 floors above ground and 5 floors below ground. An elevator descended 5 floors below ground. The elevator then rose 5 floors. How far was the elevator from the top floor? Okay, so what we can do is we can use number lines. So I can use a number line to kind of like help you guys see what's going on. Okay, so let's say for A, choice A, for Nicole's. Let's say that the starting place for Nicole is at her house, which is 0. So I'll draw a little house. Okay. All right. Now, technically, we're talking north. I could have, did a vertical number line, but we can do a horizontal one for now. Okay. So if she traveled north, that would indicate going in the positive direction, which would be 10. And then if she travels south to get back home, she would have to travel back 10 units. Okay, so if she's back at home, she's back at 0. All right, I'll put a star next to 8 because it seems like the most correct one, but I want to make sure I check my other answers. Okay, so then for the next part, or the next question, it says Sean earned, let's say this is his bank account. It says he earned $42 babysitting. All right, so we could just draw a little arrow saying he earned $42. And if he's earning money, that's a positive number. And then it said he earned another $42. Okay, so if he earned another $42, then he would be at 84, which we're looking for a solution that is 0. So it wouldn't be B. Okay, for the next one for part C, I'm still going to draw a number line. They said the temperature, the city's record low temperature is negative 12 degrees. And today the temperature is positive 12 degrees. They want you to find out what's the difference between this, the low temperature, and the high temperature. Which basically they want you to figure out, well, how far are they apart from each other, okay? Which this would be 12 units plus 12 units, which would be 24. Okay? That would not be 0. And then for part D was a trickery one, so I'll use a vertical number line for part D, but our choice D. So let's look at this apartment, okay? So the building has, or I don't know why I say apartment, but the building has 5 floors below ground. And it has 5 floors above ground. So this is be a negative 5 degrees, okay? It says the elevator descended 5 floors. Okay? And then it rolls up 5 floors. Now, true, we are at 0 once we rolls up the 5 floors. But the question is asking, how far is the elevator from the top floor, which means it's looking for this. That distance from 0 and that positive 5. Okay? Which means it would not be 0. That answer would not be 0. Even though the elevator is at 0, the question is not asking for that. Okay? So the most correct answer would be choice A. Okay? So that's all I have for today's review. As always, guys, if you were confused at any part of this review, guys, please make sure you refer to your manager's Google Meet session. Watch this video as many times as you need to, and good luck on your test today.